If you want to be warned about the status of a customer, vendor, item, or other key information before transactions are processed, unique alerts can be created. To create or update an alert, edit a record that supports alerts, and open the Notes tab. In some Adagio programs, the alert setup can be seen from an alert radio button, and in other programs, they will be located at the bottom of the screen. Alerts are typically used for important instructions or procedures for entry staff in transaction entry. There are two different ways to enter alerts, depending on the program. The older style uses one common message that appears whenever this record is edited or viewed, or whenever a transaction or batch entry is edited that uses this record. This message can be as short or long as needed, as unlimited text and line breaks can be added. And when the F7 key is pressed, a spell check process will ensure that all the words are correct, or identify where any spelling errors are. Click the Active Alert checkbox to enable the functionality, or disable the option to keep the text but not show any alerts. Click OK to save the changes. When you next edit or view this record, the alert message will appear, as you would also see when selecting this record from a Finder field in transaction entry. When an alert is active, the title of the tab will change to Notes Alerts to indicate this. In some Adagio programs, a newer alert model is in place, where you can set multiple alerts for different tasks. These alerts are listed in a grid, where you can create a new one either by pressing the Insert key or double-clicking on the last blank row, delete an alert by highlighting it and pressing the Delete key, or edit an alert by double-clicking it in the grid. Each alert can be set to appear whenever any of the selected functions are performed. If you highlight a specific function, you can see the user that last saw this alert and when. There are additional features you can use with alerts. You can require that the user that gets the alert enter their initials to confirm, to help ensure the message is read, rather than simply clicking the OK button to close it. If an alert is only meant to be temporary, you can allow the alert to be disabled at runtime with a checkbox to not show it again. The alert will only be disabled for the function from where it was seen, and you can see which user deactivated the alert. And the alert can be reactivated by clicking the checkbox. With multiple alerts, it is possible to get more than one message appear, depending on how they are set up. Let staff know about important considerations by presenting them with an alert. Find out more about Adagio from the product page on our website. Watch another training video on this Adagio program from the playlist, or subscribe to the Adagio YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.